I just found a very unique way to be able to fix or make a crack in your screen. Basically, I don't know if you want to say repaired, but basically make it so that you are able to continue to use your phone and not get slivers from your glass, especially when we're dealing with these cheap phones, like ones that you get from like Straight Talk. This I have an LG phone here, but I'm pretty sure this will work also on a smartphone of any type. Not really sure about the iPhones, but you obviously could replace the whole screen if you know how to do that. But like I say, some of these phones, it's cheaper to actually just keep using them and then going and buying a brand new one, which is the other option. I don't know if you can see it, but on this phone, basically, I have a scratch here that, let me bring it right here. I have a scratch here, move my finger in the right direction, that I was changing a tire in the dark the other morning, and it cracked my phone pretty bad, so that every time that I ran my finger across the left side of the screen, I was starting to get little pieces of glass in my fingertips. And so I was researching, how to fix the screen because I didn't want to get a new phone yet. And I just tried something that is a hack that makes this screen absolutely look and work wonderfully. Absolutely no problem. You don't even feel that it's cracked there. It is cosmetically, still sees the scratches. But it works almost like a brand new phone, and it is kind of a screen protector. And I want to share with you what I did. It basically will cost you about $3 or less, depending where you get it. Took a roll of packing tape, all I did, and a scissors. And all I did is take that, cut a piece of the tape, basically, and I tried it first on my screen over that hole, that side of the screen. I cut it basically so that it would not cover the cameras or the earpiece, the speakers, anything like that, and affect that. And then I just ran it down that left side of the screen and just tried it out. And it worked so well that I decided, I have some cracks up here in the corner, that I would go ahead and run a piece of tape all the way down. Now, I do have a couple air bubbles in here, but as you can see, it's working just fine. In fact, it works just like it's basically brand new, so that's great. And you don't even feel the scratches, and it keeps your screen nice and clean. So basically, if you have one of these rolls of tape laying around, that's all you got to do, is just cover that screen up. And I'm just excited about that, so I thought I would just come on here and share with you what I did with my LG phone to keep it going for a little bit while here till I'm ready to actually invest in my next phone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.